Hello guys, welcome back to Writing Practices, your go-to channel for practical writing tips and guides. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone entering the job market: how to write a professional cover letter. A cover letter is often your first impression with a potential employer, so it's essential to get it right. It should not only highlight your qualifications, but also show why you're excited about the role and how you can contribute to the company's success. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact structure of a professional cover letter, using the provided template as our framework. We'll go step by step, explaining each section and ensuring you're equipped to write a compelling and well-organized letter. Let's get started. Header information. The header of your cover letter is where you provide your basic contact information. This includes your full name, address, email, and phone number. For example, John Doe, 123 Maple Avenue, Springfield, Illinois, 62704. johndoe@email.com, 555-1234-567. This section ensures the hiring manager can easily identify you and have your contact information on hand. Place this information at the top of your letter to maintain a professional format. Date. Below your contact details, include the date when you're submitting or sending the letter. For instance, January 23rd, 2025. This step might seem simple, but it's important for documentation and creating a timeline for your application. Recipient's information. Next, you'll include the hiring manager's information. If you know their name, use it here, along with their title, the company's name, and the company's address. If you don't know their name, address it to hiring manager. For example, Jane Smith, Human Resources Manager, Tech Innovations LLC, 456 Elm Street, New York, New York, 10011. This section shows you've taken the time to personalize your application, which employers often appreciate. Subject line. The subject line clearly states the purpose of your letter. For example, application for software developer position. This helps the hiring manager quickly understand why you're writing and makes your letter easy to categorize. Salutation. Begin your letter with a formal greeting. Use Dear Hiring Manager's name if you know their name. If not, Dear Hiring Manager is perfectly acceptable. This sets the tone for your letter and shows respect. Opening paragraph. Your opening paragraph should immediately capture the reader's attention by stating your excitement for the role and a brief overview of your qualifications. For instance, I am excited to apply for the software developer position at Tech Innovations LLC, as advertised on your careers page. With my 3 years of experience in developing cutting-edge applications and a strong passion for technology, I am confident in my ability to contribute effectively to your team. This paragraph is your chance to make a strong first impression. Mention how you found the job listing and provide a quick summary of why you're a strong candidate. Body paragraphs. The body of your cover letter is where you expand on your experience, skills, and what excites you about the role. For example, in my previous role at Innovative Apps, I successfully led a team to develop a mobile application that improved user engagement by 30%. This experience honed my abilities in project management and strengthened my technical expertise in app development. It also deepened my passion for creating user-centric solutions that drive measurable results. What excites me most about Tech Innovations LLC is your commitment to fostering innovation in the tech space. The opportunity to contribute to your groundbreaking projects aligns perfectly with my personal and professional goals, particularly your recent focus on sustainable technology solutions. Here, you want to demonstrate how your experience aligns with the job description and show genuine enthusiasm for the company and its values. Use specific examples from your past work to highlight your achievements and skills. Closing paragraph. In your closing paragraph, thank the hiring manager for considering your application and express your willingness to discuss your qualifications further. For example, I have attached my resume, which provides a more detailed overview of my qualifications. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my skills and experiences align with your needs. Please feel free to contact me at johndoe@email.com or 5551234567 to arrange a convenient time for an interview. This paragraph is your final pitch. It should convey gratitude and confidence without being overly assertive. Signature and attachments. End your letter with sincerely, followed by your full name. If you're including any attachments, such as a resume, list them below your signature. For example, sincerely, John Doe. Attachments, resume, references. This ensures the hiring manager knows what additional documents to expect and makes your application complete. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to writing a professional cover letter. By following this structure and customizing each section with relevant details, you can create a letter that sets you apart and showcases your qualifications effectively. Thank you for joining me today on Writing Practices. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more writing tips and guides. Best of luck with your job applications, and I'll see you next time.